off for the final launch of Endeavour, expanding our knowledge while expanding our lives in space.
NASA launches rockets into space to support a wide range of applications, including communication satellites, upgrades to the Hubble telescope, and personnel for the International Space Station. The launch platforms for large rockets and the Space Shuttle contain extensive electronics and safety equipment critical for successful launches. However, the severe launch vibration environment has proven detrimental to the launch platform's hardware and electronics. Traditional vibration isolation techniques have not been adequate to protect this equipment, leading to premature failures and premature component replacement. NASA engineers contacted the University of Texas Center for Electromechanics in 2007, asking if the center's high-performance active suspension technology, developed for off-road vehicles, could be used to meet NASA current and future vibration isolation needs. The Center for Electromechanics teamed with Balcones Technologies, an Austin, Texas-based engineering firm, to move the center's technology from the laboratory to the marketplace. Together, they have developed a vibration isolation system, or VIS, that can be deployed in NASA's launch platforms to address this problem. Their VIS technology is also applicable to a wide range of vibration isolation tasks, such as earthquake protection, operation of sensitive scientific equipment, and transportation of sensitive cargo. The Center for Electromechanics' vehicular active suspension technology, the legacy technology applied to the NASA Vibration Isolation System, substitutes smart actuators for normally passive shock absorbers or dampers, and adds sensors and a digital controller to provide unparalleled mobility over all types of terrain, while maintaining superlative vehicle stability and ride quality. In partnership with government and industry, the center has successfully developed active suspension systems for a wide range of military and commercial vehicles, including Humvees, tactical trucks, tanks, transit buses, and other commercial applications. The NASA Vibration Isolation Actuator is a simple device, operating with the same fundamental principles as linear motors and the same fundamental algorithms used for active suspension systems, to provide high-fidelity computer-controlled force management over a 6-inch range of travel. All system components are either off-the-shelf technology, commercial components, or are manufactured using standard manufacturing methods. Our laboratory demonstration shows that we reduced vibration levels on electronics racks similar to those on Space Shuttle launch platforms 2 to 10 times better than typical passive spring and damper systems over most frequencies of interest, with a several hundredfold improvement at some frequencies. During system design and development, both component testing and system-level testing were conducted to verify standalone vibration isolation system performance in a realistic laboratory environment. Initial actuator testing confirmed that actuator design goals over a 6-inch stroke were being met, and also identified minor improvements that were implemented in the second generation of actuators. These actuators and our control technology are highly versatile and could be used under a group of electronics racks as shown in our demonstration, or distributed under the floor to protect an entire room of equipment. System testing was conducted on a hydraulic shaker system, simulating the motion of the floor of the Space Shuttle launch platform. A 2.5-ton payload simulated a typical rack of launch platform electronics. Data plots used by engineers to analyze vibration as a function of frequency on components exposed to random vibrations were used to evaluate our vibration isolation system performance. Comparisons were made for the system with actuators off to represent a passive system with coil spring vibration isolation, and with actuators on to represent the fully functional active vibration isolation system. Results showed the active system isolated the electronics racks 2 to 10 times better than the passive system over most frequencies of interest, and over 400 times better than the passive system at its primary natural frequency. While other passive vibration designs may compare better at the system natural frequency, they would then likely perform worse at the higher frequencies. Furthermore, testing confirmed that our system is highly fault-tolerant and able to effectively function with smaller, lighter, less expensive components with up to 50% reduction in force capacity, while experiencing very minor performance degradation. Documentation describing the complete test program and all test results was provided to NASA in a final contract report. This technology offers numerous benefits to NASA, including the opportunity to use fewer hardened instrumentation components, longer life for all test hardware, and improved reliability. The Balcones Technologies and University of Texas team developed and demonstrated an innovative, highly effective solution to NASA's vibration isolation problem. The technology is applicable to a wide range of the most demanding applications, ranging from protecting small, high-cost systems like racks of critical electronics to isolating complete rooms with sensitive equipment for NASA, military, civil, and commercial organizations.